Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Mercy Jerry and today we are in Kiamunyi. So we have these 2 3 bedrooms houses for sale that are located here in Kiamunyi in a place called Moiro. So the houses are located in a quarter of an acre. They are together and they are being sold together, like you cannot buy one. So I want to give you the whole house tour of the house so that we can see what this house has to offer for us. So make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So let's go. Located like less than 200 meters from the main road. So the house is in a quarter of an acre. So the whole quarter of an acre is on sale. So we have this 3 bedroom right here with its SQ right here. And then on the other farthest end, that's where we have the other 3 bedroom with its SQ on the other end. So it is in the same property, so it's being sold as one property. So the whole property, quarter of an acre with the house, is going for 27 million Kenyan shillings. So if you're looking to invest in Nakuru, I think you can consider this property. So without much further ado, let me give you a quick house tour of the entire house so that you can be able to see what the house has to offer. So let's go. So this is the door. As you can see, this is a very quality door here. So let's get inside. So the first thing we encounter are these sockets right there. And then right here, this is where we have the living room. So this is the living room. And one of the things that you will notice in this house is the tile work. Look at that tile. It looks like a wood. It's very, very nice. And then the neutral color in it is very nice. So the living room, we also have some space here, which can serve as the dining room, the dining area. And also the lights. You can see the lighting right there. Another thing that you love about this house is the large windows right here. So look at this window here. So no issues with lighting. Lighting here, you're considered right there. So also on the walls, you can put some small lighting on the walls. We have like 4 of them on the walls. So this is supposed to be the dining area. And you can see the kitchen is an open kitchen. So from the dining area, you can be able to see the kitchen. So before we head over to the kitchen, we have this common washroom here, which serves the downstairs. So the washroom is right here. The common washroom, and then from the living room, we go to that as the kitchen. So we have, I was selling another house and someone was asking me about the color of the countertop. So this house, the countertop runs from all the way that side, all the way to this side, to the end, to where we have the sink. So the color of the countertop is black. It's black in color. Then we have some upper storage right here, as you can see. So we have this upper storage right here. We also have some other storage right here. And then all the way with the countertop, we have some other lower storage running all the way through here. Also for the sink, we have this one as the sink. So we have a single sink. I know some of you will ask about a double sink and all that, but here we have just one sink. So we also have this window in the kitchen to allow natural light inside. So yeah, you can see. So now from the kitchen, okay, before we go there, we have this area here where you can put your cooker. So this one, I think, is the space allocated for the cooker, since we have some sockets here, you know. So from here, we have the laundry area here. So this is supposed to be the laundry area. As you can see, it's a large space. Also, if you're not accessing it through the kitchen, you can still use this door here. So you can access it from the outside, you get to the laundry area. So when you're going to maybe to put your clothes, you don't have to just pass through the kitchen, you can pass via this door. So yeah, so I think that's it here downstairs. So I want to take you, all the bedrooms are upstairs. So guys, right from the living room or the dining, we have this space right here. This is quite very interesting. So we have the two spaces. Since I told you these houses are two, like this one, up to this one, up to this end here, this is where our first 3-bedroom ends. Then still on the next one here, you can see we have the same space, just like this one. So that one serves the other 3-bedroom right there. Since I told you these are two houses in the same place. So this is how it looks like. Let's look at that greenery here. Look at how it looks like. The landscaping. So you can play with this space whichever way you like. If you want to make it like a garden, if you want to maybe do some play with the space in terms of maybe partying, you're the one to decide of what you can do with this space. I had forgotten about the pantry. So this is the pantry area. So the cameraman will go inside to show you. So yeah, that's the pantry area. So I think we are done downstairs. Yeah. So we go upstairs so that we can see the rest of the rooms. So right here, maybe when you own the home, you can put a chandelier right there. It will really look very nice. Also, you can put some decors right here on this wall so that the wall doesn't just appear so plain. Also, I really love this design and it allows a lot of light on this side. Also, the tile work here, you can see still maintaining the neutral color, you know. So let's go. So this is where we have all the bedrooms. So the bedrooms are not ensuite, but we have this washroom here, which can be shared by the 3 bedrooms. So come here. So guys, the 3 bedrooms, one of the master bedroom is ensuite, and the rest of the 2 bedrooms, they share this washroom right here. So let me show you the washroom, and then we head over to the 2 bedrooms, and then finally, I'm going to show you the master bedroom. So come inside. So you can see that the bathroom, it has a cubicle. So when you're taking a shower, you just inside there. So the cubicle has separated the toilet and the bathroom. So this is where we have the toilet. And then we have, it has a very nice lighting also. So, and then we have this sink right here with a mirror right here. Also maintaining still the neutral color. You can see that we have returned back to the same tile that we had back there. So yeah, I think that's it about this washroom. So let's head over to our first bedroom, which is right here on my left. So this is the first bedroom right here. You can be able to see it is spacious enough for a king size A queen size or a king size bed will comfortably fit in this room. Also, the tile work you can be able to see, very neutral color right here. So guys, this bedroom has also this closet right here. This is how it looks like. So you have it like this all the way, and then on this end you have it like that. So I think it's a very simple house, as you can see. Also the color of the walls is white, as you can see on the walls. Also the door to this house is, it's kind of gray, light gray somehow. So onto our next bedroom, which is right here. Very much similar to the to that bedroom. Actually, it's similar kabisa, inakaa hiyo kabisa. So the same design of the closet right here. As you can see, pretty much similar to that bedroom. The tile work still the same. Only that now this bedroom, it has an extra storage. So I don't have the key, so I won't go there. But the cameraman can show you from here. You have that space right there. So that's the difference between this bedroom and the other bedroom. Also, we have some sockets here, just in case you need to charge your gadgets. So now we are done with the two bedrooms. So remember I told you, this house, these are two houses. Each one of them is a 3-bedroom. They are located together. So I'm just going to show you this house because it looks exactly like the other one. So yeah, I think now we head over to our master bedroom, which is ensuite. Let's go. So guys, look at the tile work of the house. Very nice. Also, this bedroom is quite bigger than the rest of the bedrooms. Look at where I am right now. So it's quite large. Also, the neutral color on the walls. Very nice. Also, extra, the wardrobes. Quite spacious. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So if you're looking to invest in Nakuru, especially in Kiamunyi, I think this is to go to house. If you guys are too, or you just want somewhere to invest, you can consider this property. It's going for 27 million Kenyan shillings. So yeah, I think I've shown you everything. And then up there, we have it in silk white. I don't know whether you can see, but I know most of you will ask me about the colors. So yeah, it is silk white. And then on the wall, it's kind of off gray. It's off gray somehow. So he has really maintained the nude colors. Also on the door, you can be able to see. So this bedroom is ensuite. So you can be able to see the washroom, which has a cubicle as well. So guys, this is the second house. It looks exactly like the one that I've shown you right here. So even the interior, exactly the same as that one. So if you're looking for such kind of a property, maybe you can consider this. Maybe, okay, the owner is selling the two of them because they are in the same piece of land in a quarter of an area here in Kiamunyi. Also remember, it's less than 200 meters. So yeah, let me show you also the back of this house. You see that it looks exactly like their home. They exactly look the same, as you can see. So you have this space just like the other house on that end. Also have an office space here for maybe the caretaker or the security guard here. So yeah, so you can purchase this property on the details that are put on the screen for viewing, for site viewing, and any questions that you may have, you can ask in the comment section or call the number on your screen. So guys, this is the space. Since I told you this is a quarter of an acre, the house, so you can be able to see the house right here. And then this is the extra space. So you can play with the space. Maybe you can build some rentals here or whatever you can do with it. That is up to you. So guys, that is the house tour of this beautiful house that is on sale. So remember, this is a 3-bedroom like this, up to this SQ here. And then the other SQ which faces the other side, that is for the other 3-bedroom. So in short, it's like 3-bedroom on that side and 3-bedroom on this end right here. So it's like a 6-bedroom. So the whole property is being sold at 27 million Kenyan shillings. So you cannot say that you will buy this and then you leave the other one. So you'll have to buy the whole property at 27 million Kenyan shillings. So if you're looking for a place to invest, especially here in Nakuru, if you're a diaspora investor, a local investor, or you just have some money and you want to put it somewhere, you can consider this property on the number on your screen, and then we can bring you for site visit of the house. So my name is Njeri, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. So stay tuned. Also make sure that you subscribe, you like the video. It goes a long way. So I'm gonna see you in my next one. Until then, it's a bye-bye.